Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to share with you how to create a quick DIY thickers using some double-sided adhesive foam along with your steel wool die. So the die set that I have right here is the Tim Holtz new Bigz XL Society die. It's the uppercase letters. I also have the older one, which is the lowercase letters, which is the word play. So you can customize any thicker sticker using these dies, and it's perfect because it can match any of your projects just using some design paper or any cardstock. So I purchased this bag. It was a full bag of double-sided foam, and I purchased it from Amazon, and again I'll put the link down below, and you can see when you peel one side it has adhesive and then the other side has adhesive. Now I've purchased adhesive foam before at my local craft store, and then I had to glue the other end using some wet glue, but I find this so much easier because it already has the adhesive on the other end, and it makes a really great gift to give to someone if you just want to package some cute set of letters and they have it ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and die cut some letters here. I'm just going to use my Cuttlebug. And I love it because, again, it can match any of your design paper to go along with any of your projects. Now I went ahead and cut out some small pieces because I'm going to spell out the word love. So you're going to put the design paper face down. Just going to make sure I get all the letters. Okay, and then I'm going to put our cutting plate on top. And what's great with the steel wool dies is it cuts it really nice. You can use some of your thin wafer dies, and I'll show you in a little bit. But it's nicer with a steel wool die because it cuts any material. So let me show you. Look how beautiful that is, and they just pop right out, which is nice. So we're going to spell out the word love. I'll save those other letters for something else. Just pop these right out. Really cute. See? And then the back is the film, and it's sticky. So again, if you want to just gift these out to someone, it makes it so fun to give. So I'm just gonna take a piece of doily here. I'll make like a bag topper out of this. And then I'm gonna take a sticker from Maggie Holmes. I'll take this one right here because it'll match. And then you'll just layer it like that. And then we'll add the sticker. I'm so excited for this because now I can make any thickers I want to match all my projects. And I have both the upper and lowercase. And it's so addicting because now I want to make a set of letters and numbers with all my design paper. But see how quick that is? And look how cute that is. You made an instant bag topper with these letters. That's so cute. Now I did die cut it also out with my thin wafer die. Now this is by Momenta, and I would recommend, after playing with it a little bit, I do recommend the wafer thin dies that are really thick. I mean, really good quality wafer thin dies, because I know there's a lot out there that are much thinner. It just die cuts it out much easier, especially because it's foam. So I'll show you the one that I made. So here's, I spelled out the word love. I bought this die set, I believe, from Hobby Lobby a while back. But it does die cut it out, and so, but it does work so much nicer with the steel roll die. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll put all the information down below and the links. Thanks for watching. Bye.